Hi, we're Charlotte and Perry. We travel around the UK and Europe visiting many different top attractions, from theme parks to zoos to water parks to anything Disney related. We take our camera along the way and film as we go. Now we hope you enjoy this video and thanks for watching. We're at Disneyland. So today, me and Charlotte are going to Disneyland, Walt Disney Studios. We're going to show you guys around. We're going to get some nice food. That's the plan. We're here for 2 days. So day 1 is rides, day 2 is the shows. So we're on our way in, and we shall show you around. His name was Uno.
Se chargera de récupérer le générateur, pendant que vous autres vous concentrerez sur les robots. Vous vous retrouverez sur la planète 7.
Les amis, il n'y a qu'un mot pour décrire ce wow, tu as réussi à sortir du labyrinthe. It was amazing.
Wow, this canyon is so beautiful. Wow, míralo.
You really did, didn't you?
So we drew Winnie the Pooh.
That's Charlotte's. Very wide.
Got a very wide head.
That's Perry's. So it's currently 7 p.m. and we've done pretty much most of the rides. We want to go on Peter Pan. Is that right? Captain Jack ride?
Pirates of the Caribbean.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
It's currently unavailable at the moment. They told us to go back round and then go back there in a moment.
Yeah, so what else have we been on? Crush Coaster in the studios. We're going to do that first thing tomorrow morning because it's still got a 70-minute queue line.
Yeah.
But so far, every ride we've been on today, we've not really waited too long.
No.
We've been on, what have we been on? Hyperspace Mountain first before it got busy. We went on, what's the Tilted Drop Tower?
Hollywood Tower of Terror.
Tower of Terror, we've been on that twice.
That was only like 10 minutes queue, so we managed to go on that.
We did wait 45 minutes for the new cars, the Studio Tours road trip one. That was quite long.
Which obviously used to be just like Hollywood Studios.
Yeah, we took an hour out in the middle of the day. We went over to what's it? Earl of Sandwich of Earl of Sandwich. Yes, we went there for a little bit. Went over to the New York Marvel Hotel and had a little look around there. I'm sure there'll be some clips in here. So yeah, so we're getting a bit tired now. Well, but we've had a good day so far, and we're currently
outside Skull Rock.
Oh yeah, look. But if you don't know, within there's like a set of caves which I think we've missed last time we come.
We've not been before. I don't remember going through them.
So we're going to go and have a look through there.
So yeah, today is more of a. We've got this hat today. So yeah, it's more of a day of rides and then mainly more of like the shows, and obviously we'll be staying for the fireworks tomorrow.
There is a 30th anniversary kind of show outside the castle, like parade kind of thing. We've seen that kind of twice. That's really good, but we're going to try and watch it again and get right in the middle. So that's on 4 times a day. Yeah, this morning when we was using the Disney app, it was down all morning, so we couldn't see none of the ride times, show times. So yeah, this morning the app was playing up. We did meet Goofy, Cowboy Goofy.
Yeah.
So we got a video of that, so you'll see that. The video is mainly of Charlotte. I cut the video to go and meet myself for the photos. So hopefully tomorrow we might do another character meet and greet. We see how the time goes.
Yeah.
And yes, and now we're going to go for a little walk because we want to go on the Pirates of the Caribbean, but there's a technical difficulty. So we're just going to kill 15 minutes to see if it opens. Oh, see you in a bit.
See you in a bit. So we are back at Nature Villages. So we just felt like just doing a little bit of a roundup of what was our favourite bit of day one. So day one, just enjoying your tea there. So day one is pretty much us been doing the rides. We haven't really watched any shows so far today. That's going to be our plan for tomorrow. So what was your favourite bit of today? Executive activity?
So we went to the art animation area where we're just deciding what we're going to do with the video. We may put it in this vlog or we may put it as a completely separate video. But in the Disney Studios or the Walt Disney Studios, there's an area where you can go in and basically do like an art class where you follow along to a drawing. So we did Winnie the Pooh and we did, sorry, something in my eye.
Tigger.
We did Tigger. But I'm trying to think what we filmed. I think we filmed Tigger,
yeah.
Because after that I was like, oh, that was really fun, can we do another one?
Literally walked out and then walked back in the queue and I was like, where are you going?
Yeah, and the guy said, okay, we're going to do Winnie the Pooh but really quick in 5 minutes. So, and it was quite funny because basically he was changing over and another artist lady was going to come and like do the shift change.
I had to pause it because my pencil would like, I could feel it breaking.
Yeah.
So we had a pause.
So that was really good. There'll be some videos in here that we'll attach for me and Charlotte showing you our drawings. I think they came out pretty well. I think mine were better.
My Winnie the Pooh was better than what my Tigger was, even though
your Winnie the Pooh had a very stretched head.
Instead of it being a square, it ended up being more of a rectangle. But it actually looked pretty good, even though it had a very long head.
But yeah, we did that, and I would probably say the art classes in the animation bit were maybe 15 minutes, and there wasn't a lot of queue there.
We went there, the people before ended up doing Donald Duck, but I know I've watched Johnson Adventures, and they did Mickey Mouse, which I did actually do a little photo. I did a little go at home, and it was alright, but it wasn't great.
Yeah, so that was quite good. I actually enjoyed it more than I thought I was going to.
Yeah, we wanted to go again. I was like, no, we'll wait till tomorrow and see what ones are being done then.
Yeah, the only thing is when we go tomorrow, we might get there and they may be doing Tig and Winnie the Pooh again.
Yeah.
So hopefully we get there and they're doing Donald or something different. We know we are going to do two tomorrow. if it's two different characters, then we'll do two.
So, yeah, and then...
But our favourite ride, clearly, was Tower of Terror, because it was the only ride of the day that we rode twice.
Yeah.
So, the first drop, your stomach moves.
He grabbed hold of me, it was like, whoa!
So, yeah.
So, yeah, then we went that one again, that after we went on Ratatouille ride, then we went back on there again. But we're going to go on to Crush's Coaster tomorrow morning, because that ride ended up being about 60 or 70 minutes queue, near enough all day. Because we went on Hyperspace Mountain today in the morning, because that always ends up having a long queue. So we're going to go on Crush Coaster tomorrow, so we can get on that first, because otherwise it's a really long queue for the rest of the day. And that's one of our plans.
Yeah, the only actual ride in Disneyland that we didn't do that we normally would like to do is Peter Pan.
Yeah,
it's the only one we didn't do, and
that
again that had a really long queue time.
At the same time as Crush's Coaster.
Yeah, so we might do that tomorrow. We might just have to queue for it, and we'll see how it goes. But obviously tomorrow we're going to try. We saw one of the parades today, one of these shows, but we want to get a better view tomorrow, and then we want to watch Lion King. Today we went and did a meet and greet with Goofy, and the Lion King show.
Goofy.
The Lion King show was like right next door. Do you know what we could do tomorrow as well? The big boat.
Yeah.
I can't remember what it's called.
In Frontierland.
Frontierland.
I don't know if I pronounced that right. But yeah, because that was going around. The hot air balloon, unfortunately, out in Disney Village wasn't open today. It was
a bit breezy today.
It was quite breezy, yeah. So that's probably hence why that wasn't open. But it's a plan to try and do that either tomorrow or Friday on our day home. But we'll see how that plans out.
Yeah. So just to give you, as I said, we're staying at the Centre Parks locally, which is the Disney Nature Village. We get the number 47 bus. It takes about 15 minutes. We've had no problems so far. It's £2 a person. If it's busy, people seem to just jump on the bus. So if you don't have the £2, then
if it's busy
jump
and you
on
just
the
want
bus.
to get home and it's the last bus home. But yeah, so that's pretty much what we've been up to do today, and what our plan is for tomorrow. Obviously, we're watching the illuminations and the show, night show tomorrow, so we'll get a little bit of a video of that for you. But that's pretty much a roundup for today.
Few quick things. Yeah,
else.
so we did just a little bit of food, because you know you've got to plan your food. So we had the Mickey ears ice cream.
Pretty much like a Magnum.
That was really nice.
It was nice.
We had Mickey ear-shaped ham and cheese roll. That was really nice. I think that was about €9.
Cow cheese, as it said on there.
Yeah. So we've told you a little bit about the bus, a little bit about the food we've had, our favourite rides, the queue times. If there's anything we haven't covered, then mention it down below, and then
ask us some questions.
Yeah, and Charlotte will reply.
So yeah, we will see you tomorrow, which will probably be in a separate video of what we get up to tomorrow. So it'll be a bit more showy themed compared to what it is today. Yeah. So yeah.
The only thing is, if we're seeing some of the shows, you can't really record.
No.
So we can record the fireworks and the parades and stuff. But if you're doing the indoor shows, yeah, it's be like a proper theatre, like no cameras. But I'm going to sit and drink the rest of my Darjeeling tea and let our feet relax, because it's getting dark.
Yeah, no bike ride. Late night bike ride for you. I've had enough bikes.
We might go for a bike ride. I haven't decided yet.
We'll see. But yeah, so we'll see you tomorrow in that video.
See ya.
Bye.